Imagine that your neighbor gave your address to burglars. They show up, destroy your home, steal your belongings, threaten your family. Years later, that same neighbor comes back, smiling, and says, "We could be friends again." What would you do? Say yes? Well, that's exactly what ECOWAS is asking of the Alliance of Sahel States. After betraying them, humiliating them, and threatening them with war, now they want to reintegrate them. Isn't that pure hypocrisy? Let's talk about it. 1. ECOWAS, an alliance of predators. While Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger were fighting for their survival against terrorism, what was ECOWAS doing? Nothing. Not a single weapon, not a bit of logistics, no support at all. But when Bazoum was overthrown in Niger, suddenly everyone woke up. Threats of military intervention. A date was set. Chiefs of staff put on alert. So, helping to fight terrorists? No. But stepping in to shoot a member state? Yes. That's their definition of brotherhood. 2. A 50-year record. A storefront with zero content. ECOWAS is 50 years old. Okay, so what do they have to show for it? Roads? Bridges? Economic integration? Not even that. In theory, there's freedom of movement. In practice, as soon as you cross a border, you're searched like a drug trafficker. They talk about a common market. The result? Some products are 10% more expensive from one country to another. What kind of madness is this? 3. Democracy and human rights? Nothing but hot air. They claim to defend human rights. But when political opponents are locked up, tortured in member countries, radio silence. On the other hand, to protect a buddy president, they're ready to kill. They have never defended the people. They have always protected the elites. For free movement roaming, not even their doing. They say they've made communication easier. False. It was only when UEMOA made a move that roaming fees were removed. ECOWAS 0, AES 1. ECOWAS didn't fail. No, it betrayed. 50 years of empty speeches, pseudo-brotherhood, and duplicity. And now, they're asking the Sahel states to come back. For what? To control them better? To finish them off this time? The truth is, returning to ECOWAS would be a historic mistake, an unforgivable one. When someone has betrayed you once, you never give them the keys to your house again. The Sahel chose sovereignty. There is no going back. Never. Do you think they should go back to ECOWAS? Or do you believe they should carve their own path? Say it in the comments. Subscribe if you want woissa to keep exposing the power games in Africa.